Students from all across Coe's campus enjoy coming to Stewart Memorial Library. Here they can enjoy peace and quiet without any interruptions.
Stop. Let's rewind that. This isn't a stuffy, silent library. Kohawks, this is your house. Walk inside Stewart Memorial Library and you'll hear chatter, see Kohawks playing games, and feel right at home. This is your spot to be yourself and let your mind go. It's full of people and resources to support your studies and be a successful student, all with a latte in hand. The library has over 700,000 books, and your personal librarian will help you understand where to get started accessing what you need for research, a presentation, or whatever project you're currently working on. Still can't find the exact book you're looking for? The library can borrow it from another library through the interlibrary loan, or purchase it for the library through our purchase program. Or if you're looking for your class's textbook, visit the circulation desk to find a copy on reserve. Have a quick question or need some drop-in research help? The library's reference desk, just inside the front door, is staffed 30 hours a week by library staff. They're also available online for a quick chat on the library's website. While you're here, kick your feet up on a couch in the sunshine to study for a test, or dive deep into that book you've been neglecting. If you need some inspiration, look through the art galleries featuring work by world-renowned artists. Feeling creative? Located in the lower level of the library is the Maker Studio. Here, students have access to 3D printers, vinyl cutters, laser cutters, and sewing and embroidery machines. The equipment and the majority of materials are available to students free of charge. And the library isn't just a library. Stewart houses other departments that have resources that are incredibly helpful to any student on a day-to-day basis. Right by the front entrance is the Office of Student Success and Persistence. These staff members are here to provide an inclusive, welcoming environment to empower students to successfully transition to Coe and through graduation. They are here to help first-year students navigate Coe and connect with the people, tools, and resources to be successful. The Learning Commons is located on the lower floor of the library and provides academic support and guidance to help you get the most out of your Coe experience. Whether you need help with test proctoring, tutoring, selecting a major, or simply finding some new study skills, the Learning Commons staff have your back. Need help writing a paper or a novel? The Writing Center is here to help. The Writing Center is part of the Learning Commons and is located on the first floor of the library. With 60 peer consultants from just about every major on campus, the Writing Center is full of creative and energetic students who are ready to assist you with writing projects of all kinds. And this is only a portion of what the library has to offer. Stop in and make this space your home. Remember, this is your house.